Imagine driving down the highway at 65 miles per hour when your engine suddenly shuts off without any warning just to save itself from a total catastrophic failure. This is exactly what can happen when your vehicle triggers the diagnostic trouble code P250D, which indicates that the engine oil level sensor circuit is sending a high voltage signal to the computer. This is a generic powertrain code that applies to many vehicles from 1996 and newer, including brands like Honda and Kia, but the fix can change depending on your specific engine setup. This circuit is often called the oil level safety circuit because its job is to monitor your oil levels and pressure to make sure every internal part is properly lubricated. In most cases, the sensor is mounted directly onto or even inside your oil pan. When the powertrain control module sees a voltage or resistance that is way higher than normal, it assumes there is a major fault and flips on your check engine light or the service engine soon light. In some extreme scenarios, the computer will literally shut down the engine to keep it from grinding itself to pieces. The symptoms of this code are quite severe, and you might notice your oil pressure gauge reading dangerously low, or your car might refuse to start at all. The most common causes are a defective oil level sensor or a dirty and clogged oil pressure sensor, but it could also be as simple as having your oil level far too low or even way too high. You should also look for frayed or damaged wiring and corroded connectors under the car that might be causing a break in the signal. To fix this, you should first check your oil dipstick and search for any technical service bulletins for your specific model. If the oil is fine, you need to perform a visual inspection of the wiring and then use a digital multimeter to check for continuity. You want to see 0 ohms of resistance, because anything else means you have a bad wire or a short that needs to be replaced. If you are not comfortable with electrical testing, or if you think the powertrain control module itself has failed, you should definitely see a professional mechanic immediately, because engine lubrication is not something you want to gamble with.